Do you experience acne and other severe digestive disorder the way I did for over 25 years? Then you'll want to switch what you're eating. I loved dairy from cow milk and ice cream, but now for many years I prepare banana and ice cream. My acne and digestive issues disappeared when the ice cream disappeared and was substituted for simple banana ice cream. And I'm going to prepare for you the simplest, most delicious ice cream, or I call it nice cream, ever. No animals have to be abused to prepare and enjoy this absolutely delicious nice cream. So I'm going to start by telling you my ingredients. I have here 3 medium frozen bananas. I also have a banana here that is not frozen yet. I'm going to peel it and put it into my food processor. I love using my food processor to make an ice cream that is more whipped from fruit. I prefer it over the Vitamix or a juicer. I just really love the way it comes out, and it's just so quick and easy to do in my food processor. So I'm just simply going to peel my banana. I am going to chop my banana right into the food processor. And this will help to process up the banana mixture with the frozen bananas, which have not completely thawed yet. So if you're in a bind and you want to make banana ice cream quickly, that's what to do. Add a fresh banana that is not frozen. So now I'm going to add my frozen bananas. I'm just going to chop them up right into the food processor. 3 frozen bananas and 1 banana that I peeled and put in there. I am going to process these up now in the food processor. I have a choice of fruit I want to put in. Sometimes I combine other fruit with the banana and ice cream. Today I'm going to use wild blueberries. I love wild blueberries because they are higher in antioxidant activity than regular blueberries, because that's the native plant, is wild blueberries. For my Thanksgiving celebration last weekend, I added a packet of organic dragon fruit, which was absolutely delicious. And we had this wonderful bright pink ice cream, which everybody loved. So that's one way to do it, and you can just buy these packages of organic dragon fruit at your health food store. I also love mango ice cream. I will sometimes put in a fresh mango that is ripe that I bought at the store, or I will put in frozen organic mango and process that up with the banana and ice cream. And that's also a beautiful orangey yellow color, also amazingly delicious. And what about wild blueberry ice cream? I'm going to add my wild blueberries. This is going to be your new party food instead of dairy ice cream, and you can just make all the flavors yourself so easily. It is my goal to help you live a raw vegan lifestyle on a daily basis, doing it simply. And this is one of the easiest things that I create. I am going to blend up in the food processor the bananas, which are already processed, and the frozen wild blueberries. all finished. Look at that beautiful purplish color. It's like a dark lavender. Ooh, just love it. I'm going to spoon my blueberry nice cream into this nice Italian bowl. You always want to have attractive dishes. And this is going to be my afternoon snack. I love bananas for a quick pick-me-up. They also have good calories. Great way to live a raw vegan lifestyle on a daily basis. Here we go. So yummy. You can grab a copy of my banana nice cream and sauce recipes by going to the description below. Please subscribe here at Feel Fabulous with Food. Comment and like. Grab my new recipe book, Raw Authentic, Raw Food Delights to Energize Your Life. Co-authored with my student and friend, Feather Smith.